Here at the Sunbelt, I think the livestock section is probably one of the growingest section there is with popularity. One, for people that are getting into the beef business or the sheep business. Two, for people that actually want to know where their food comes from, how it's handled, how it's prepared. So it's a lot about sales here at the Sunbelt, but it's also a lot about education here in the livestock side of it. But we're going to bring our newest and latest and greatest, and so are a lot of other people. We even have the innovation awards that go on here now. And with having the live demos here, we can actually showcase those products, and you can see them used in a real life format, not just from a catalog or looking at something on the internet or trying to buy it, before you get to put your hands on it. Another great thing here at the Sunbelt is to watch things come full circle. It's to watch the older generation that has been farming or ranching their entire life to sit around and visit with the younger generation or the newcomers to whatever the industry is. This is a great family environment. I mean, where else can you bring the entire family where it's just truly a great place to be in the middle of the week here in October?